And here we go. A new apartment, just freshly brewed tea, and a new spirit in the place. So, what we're gonna talk about today? Absolutely nothing. Why should be always there something to talk about? You could just do nothing. So here we are in a culture which rewards you with doing things, while the most important thing, which is thinking and reflecting on your previous history, reflecting on your um, what did you do previously, which is more important, it's not rewarded. And this disparity between the things that we are doing usually and the things we are aspiring to do is important to recognize and to work on. So here we are, this time with lightning over there, 45 degrees over my face. And the thing that we are talking about is doing nothing. Why we should do nothing? You need to think about it. To think why you're always hurried, why you're always under pressure, why you're always feeling that somebody or something is chasing you. When you think about it, you discover that nothing of these things matters. Think about the values that you're giving your kids. What are the values that you are focused on and want them to inherit it from you? Do you want them to inherit the anxiety, the pressure, the continuous running for the hedonic adaptation, for the cycle of pleasure and so think about the cycle that you are in of work, pleasure, sleep, work, pleasure, sleep, and that goes on and on and on. Do you want this cycle to be repeated always, or you want to improve what you're aiming for, your goals, your insight, your primary and secondary goals, your ways of thinking, of obtaining your vision. So these are just couple ways to think about regarding the vision that you're aiming for. So take a moment and pause and think about your life, about your vision, about what do you want to obtain from it. Are you going through the plan or not? If not, why? If yes, how? How I'm gonna obtain better results, more results? If you're doing your work, how are you gonna improve it? How are you gonna make it better, bigger, more efficient? Instead of searching of multiple things, focus on one thing only at a time. The multitasking is myth. It's not real. Your brain cannot multitask actually. Either you're on the task or you're off the task. And that's what about the saying about default mode network. We are gonna talk about default mode network later on, but the message I'm trying to send is that your brain is either on the task or off the task, and it's better always to be on the task, whether you are thinking or you're playing music or you're doing your work or whatever your state of flow is. It's better to be in it. So these are the things that I would like to talk about, which is basically nothing but other than the importance of goals, vision, orient yourself, and focus on your most important task. Don't get distracted, and see you next time.